Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you three ways by which you can change the color of any image in Canva. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just open your Canva design on web browser or desktop app. Now click on the design, click on this edit option right over here, and now go on the left side, click and you can see this option filter. Click on see all, and from here choose whatever filter you want. So I'm gonna go with this one, uh, Bali. As you can see, I've already applied it. Now you can see the difference. The original image was this, and when I applied the filter, the image was like this. You can choose different type of filters, as you can see. Now another thing you can do is again click on the image, click on edit, and here click on adjust, and from here just select the color. From here under tint you can change the color value, and this will give you different colors to your image. Also you can use temperature to change the color of your image. This is the second method. Now the third method is just click on this option, and from here you can choose colors. As you can see, the color is changing. Okay, now go on the left side, click on apps, and here go on the search bar and type image color changer, or you can write image colorizer. Okay, press enter, wait for a few seconds. Now click on this option image colorizer, and you will see this option like add this app to your Canva, or app add. Okay, so just click on this, click on open, and you will see this option. Now select the image. From here you can choose gradient if you want, like different colors, or you can also choose solid color. So I'm gonna go with blue, and after that you can apply transparency, set it according to your choice, and click on add to design. Now as you can see, okay, this is for any specific image. Now if you have a post or poster, carousel, different type of images, you can just click on the image, click on this or top option right over here, and from here you can choose whatever color you want. Also you can change the color individually like this, as you can see. So that's it for the video. This method will work for every image. Thanks for watching.